Need to fix portrait mode not working or missing on iPhone camera? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, head over to camera option right over here. If the lens correction option is available, then simply toggle it off and then turn it back again. Once done, try checking whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, once again move into the settings of a device. Scroll down and move into screen time. Head over to content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to toggle this on. Now move into allowed apps and features. Make sure that the camera option is toggled on. After that, try to restart the device. Tap and hold the assistive touch and click on restart. It will restart the device. Most of the time restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.